Alright guys, you are welcome to another short tutorial by Data Lab. Today I'm going to teach you how to style your Jupyter notebook. I'm going to teach you how to make it look beautiful. You know, we are all used to the conventional black and whites like what I'm having on the screen now. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is to install the Jupyter themes. So I've already done that, so you can use pip install Jupyter themes, okay, to do that. And once you are done with that, the next thing is to get a list of themes included inside the Jupyter themes. So I'm going to write this to check that. So don't forget to put the exclamation mark. So I'm going to have GT, then dash letter L. So I'm going to run this, and right away you can see the list of available themes that you can use. So right now I'm going to use one or two of them, so let's get it done. So I'm going to write GT, then T, that stands for theme, and let me choose this first one here. So I'm going to run this cell now, and done. Okay, so for this to be affected, you need to refresh your browser. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this browser. Click refresh. Wow, beautiful. So this is the new theme now. As you can see, this is the new theme. Wonderful. Okay, so if this looks beautiful for you, you can work with this as your new Jupyter notebook theme. Okay, if you want to run any cell here, you can check by the side there. You can see the run button here. Okay, so now you may want to revert back to your default theme. So I'm going to revert back to my default theme with another code, then I'm going to change to another theme again. So in order to revert back, I'm going to write this GT dash R, that is to restore this back to the default theme. So I'm going to run this here, and done. So all that I just need to do now is to refresh this browser again. I refresh it. Wow, I'm back to our black and white. Okay, so I'm back to the default theme. Now I can still play with another theme. Okay, so let me choose this grade 3, then let's use grade 3 theme and paste. Then I'm going to run this again. Done. So for the theme, as you know, to be affected, you need to refresh your browser. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Refresh, and done. So this is the grade 3 theme. It's not looking as beautiful as the former one, but this is the theme. So if you love it, you can stick with this. All right, so I'm going to go back to the default theme because I love the default theme. Okay, but there's so many interesting themes here, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to click this to restore the default theme, then refresh my browser again, and I'm back to the default Jupyter notebook theme. So guys, I hope you really enjoy this, and I'm going to see you again in the next tutorial.